To have high contrast keyboard with yellow letters on black keypad in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Under style and layout section, tap high contrast keyboard. If this option is still off, you can enable it by tapping the on switch until the switch turns blue. Next, select yellow letter on black keypad. The keyboard is now using yellow letter and black keypad for better visibility. As a note, you can also find this menu in the accessibility menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.